Wait, hold on. Okay, guys. Okay, this is my friend Jonathan. That's my friend Gilbert.
What's that?
And it's me and Bisita Chita. Now, my dad is snoring like crazy. So, we're gonna show you how bad he's snoring.
Wait. I'm gonna go get a cheeseburger.
He's a fat person. Hey, throw him here. If you guys can hear it. Hey guys. If you guys can see, no, let's go in the light. Okay, go here. Okay, guys, if you guys can hear it, we're gonna wait until something funny happens. You fucking hit me, you bastard. Hey, I think they're in the refrigerator. I'm good at this.
Okay, we're getting cheeseburgers.
We're getting cheeseburgers. They're here. Oh yeah, cheeseburgers. If you guys heard him, it's freaking hilarious. Did you guys get the cheeseburgers?
No.
Why didn't you guys get the cheeseburgers? Hurry up and make the cheeseburgers. Hurry up and make them. Honey, guys, go. Hey, open up the refrigerator.
We got the cheeseburgers.
Okay, go. Hurry up. No. Okay, guys. We're gonna try to. Okay, that was freaking hilarious. And look at what Jonathan got. If you guys cannot see it, look at that. 3 buns and 3 burgers. Yeah, in the back follow 3. Gilbert, Jonathan, and then B6 in the jog.
Wait.
Okay,
That's mommy. Guys.
Wow, you guys are fat. Okay,
Subscribe. Wait. Alright,
here, I'm trying
thumbs up this video if you like it. If you're dad,
thumbs up.
yeah,
Thumbs up. Subscribe.
Just subscribe. If you like it, then send comments
Oh, and
send comments about what your dad's doing.
no, okay. And also, if you guys are really fans, try to send in video. You fat. But try to send in videos of your dad snoring.
Good burger.
Drop the bun.